Welcome back to our YouTube channel here at ArmorTech. Today we're going to show you how to install our game loader onto our Kawasaki Pro FXT Mule 2024 model. Before we get started, let's have a look at the tool list. Inside your box, you'll have multiple brackets and a hardware bag. This will be your bracket A, B, and C are cover plate. So A and B is going to sandwich the headache rack and through bolt together almost like a friction clamp style plate, like that. Place bracket A onto the headache rack. The flange up here will go on top. Two side flanges will be your guide to go around the center cross members. All right, we'll let that rest. In hardware bag 90, you're going to find an 1.5" 3/8 bolt, along with some 3/8 flat and a lock washer and a nut. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install our flat washer onto the bolt, slide it in the hole, and we'll get our backing plate started. Now we'll take bracket B, our backing plate, and this will go to the back side. And then we'll go ahead and start our nut onto the bolt along with our lock and flat washer. Now once we got all our hardware started, we can take our impact with our 9/16 socket and our 9/16 wrench. We can tighten this all down. Now we'll mount our cover plate. Okay, we're missing the winch for the hardware here. This is where that'll come in, but the cover plate will set and rest onto the top of the unit. Okay, and the fair lead holes where you bolt your winch will actually hold the cover plate in place. So you'll utilize that hardware with whatever winch that you decide to install onto our winch mount. The game loader is now completely installed. We hope it helps you load your game on your next ride. Thanks for watching, guys.